Hello student, good afternoon. Today we will start the new topic, that is Introduction to Animal Kingdom. Introduction to Animal Kingdom. Introduction. Zoology. Zoology means zoin means animals. Logos means study. Study of animals. Is the branch of science that deals with the animal organisms as contrasted to botany, the science that is concerned with the plant organism. Zoology and botany make up the science of biology. Bios means life or logos, study, or the study of living things. Biology is the branch of science which investigates the origin, structure, functions, and distributions of life in all its forms. Both zoology and botany seek to establish exact and quantitative principles for the basic organization of living system. Relation of zoology with other science. All the sciences are interrelated. All the sciences are interrelated. Although biology uses physics, chemistry, and other physical science in explaining its phenomenon, biological principles are not merely an applications of physico-chemical laws. The laws of many life processes have no counterparts in physics or chemistry. Many biological concepts can be expressed mathematically, but others cannot. Biological science at present are often restricted to mere descriptive statements of general phenomenon without quantitative connotation. Biological systems are represented by many levels of organization, not all of which have been resolved into conscious concepts and testable theories. Many branches of study serve to connect biology to other sciences such as paleontology, biophysics, and biochemistry. There has been a marked trend for some time towards a synthesis of the biological sciences with other sciences. Subdivisions of zoology. Zoology is such a vast subject that advanced workers in the field tends to specialize in one or more of the subdivisions in which they can hope to become very proficient. The subdivisions are grouped according to following approaches. Subdivisions according to subject matter. Morphology, physical structure of the organisms. External morphology, the study of external features animals. Anatomy, the study of gross structure of internal organs by dissections, that which can be seen with the naked eyes. Comparative anatomy, the study of gross structure compassing similarities and differences between animals. Histology, The study of the fine microscopic structure is tissues, which includes the cells and their intracellular materials. Cytology means the study of the detailed structure of the individual cells and their components. Physiology, the study of the functional mechanisms of animals, the methods of digestion of food in the human body, and the way in which cells construct new protoplasm are typical physiological aspect of zoology. Cellular physiology, the study of internal functions of cells and their components. Comparative physiology, the study of the similarities and differences between functional mechanisms of different animals. Physiological chemistry, the study of animals' functions involving chemical reactions. Systematic physiology, the study of the functions of organs and organ systems. Pathological physiology, the study of disturbances that occurs in the various functions of the organism during the certain diseases. Clinical physiology, the study of the problems that come during the fundamental task of morphology of all the creatures is different. Ecological physiology, the study of the peculiarities of physiological processes in various species of animals in relation to the various conditions of their existence. Taxonomy, the study of the classification of animals into logical groups, the study of the evolutionary relationship of animals with one another. And endocrinology, the study of endocrine glands and the hormones actions in animals. Embryology, the study of the development of organisms from its beginning until it reaches a form of recognizable as the adult type, since most animals have their beginning as single cells. Embryology starts when the single cell begins divisions and continues with the formation of the various body parts until all the basic adult characteristic of the present. The termination is the birth if the animals is mammals, or at the hatching of the egg, or most other forms of the animal life. Ecology, the study of organisms in relation to their environment. An example would be how a certain animal gets its food, what animals threaten it, how it protects itself from those animals, and how it survives unfavorable climatic conditions. Genetics, the study of heredity and variations. It seeks to find the explanation for similarities and differences between parents and their offspring, since the basic unit of the heredity is gene. Genetics involves a study of nature of the genes and chromosomes and how they control the growth and development of living organisms. Evolution, evolution is the study of how living organisms develop. inherited characteristics which better adapt them to their surroundings. The progress of these adaptive changes in the presence of the course of such changes in the past, this study extends back into the possible origin of living things. Paleontology, ancient exist logos, the study of life as it existed in the past. It is closely related to the study of evolution. Paleontology must be based on fossils remains of prehistoric animals, although certain other evidences are also used. Geography, the study of distribution of animals on the surface of the earth. Okay, thank you.